Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2009. Private equity firm CVC Capital Partners has agreed to pay $175 million to retain a controlling 60% stake in Samsonite. According to the Financial Times, the deal will cut Samsonite's debt from about $800 million to $240 million. CVC had originally purchased Samsonite in a $1.7 billion deal in July of 2007. Royal Bank of Scotland has also taken a minority stake in Samsonite to avoid a probable breach of its banking covenants. Italian insurer Generali has started a private equity venture in partnership with PPF, the financial firm owned by Peter Kellner. According to the Financial Times, PPF Partners, which is targeting Central and Eastern Europe, is planning to invest 50 to 100 million pounds of equity per deal to buy financial services, energy, utility, and media companies in the region. The new venture has already raised £615 million from Generali, Czech group PPF, and Kellner. It has spent 50% of the money on 6 assets transferred from PPF and is ready to finalize the £100 million takeover of J&T, a Slovakia-based energy group. And in more hedge fund news, AnaCap Financial Partners has raised €575 million to buy financial service operations in Europe. According to the Financial Times, the new funds were provided by a group of investors including Goldman Sachs, Allianz, Honeywell, Morgan Stanley Alternative Investment Partners, the State of New Jersey, and Adams Street Partners. Goldman Sachs and the New Jersey Division of Investment have acquired a 5% stake in AnaCap. In June 2006, AnaCap, a private equity firm, had raised €300 million in its first fundraising. Merrill Lynch is planning to sell the management of its Pan-Asia Real Estate Opportunity Fund. According to Private Equity Real Estate, private equity firms Blackstone and Apollo Management have shown interest in the $2.65 billion fund platform. The Asian Real Estate Opportunity Fund, which closed late last year, is completely invested and has made purchases in Korea, Japan, China, and India. The sale follows the departure of Managing Director and Head of Global Commercial Real Estate, Tim Grady, who managed the fund. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.